They're fighting over the fish. Look at this, beautiful. Oh, oh my gosh. Yeah, they're waiting. See? Wow. Yes. Wow. They clean up the fish and they whatever the people don't want, they throw it on the water. They fight over. They fight over. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, they fly away.
Okay, all this together here?
Yeah, but we don't want it. We don't want that little eel. We don't want that. What is that?
You don't want the head?
Jack of some sort in there. We don't want the dolphin.
You don't want the dolphin, right? You don't want the jack? Jay!
No.
Bring the basket. I got some unwanted stuff. Is this in the bag here yours too? Oh, that's you? Okay.
Toss him in this bucket. Drop him in there at the end of it.
You don't want the jack? Porgies?
You want the porgies, Louis? Are they any good?
They're good.
All right.
You buy them? Can I buy them?
Try 'em.
No, we don't.
No sand eel. Triggers?
Yeah, triggers.
You just don't want these two?
Put that in. I just want to make some bonita strips off that. Put that in a different bag.
Very good. That was a wonderful experience to see all the birds fighting over the fish. I like it. So whenever I have a free time, when I'm walking, I come by the water with me and my lady. We're watching that. It's very nice. Very nice. Wow. Very cool. That's why I like Florida. It's nothing better. It's just like I'm home in Jackmel. Okay, bye. That's all for today. Bye-bye.